Hey y'all, it's Adventure Brad. You're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing down in this river, huh? There's snow above us, and I am like, oh, pretty much naked. Why is that?
She said I'm rusty. She said I'll hold out to win the game. No matter how hard.
Now what the heck am I doing? Pretty much naked. Running through Canada. Because apparently this water's hot. Ooh, it is. Oh, that's nice. Definitely stinks of sulfur though. Oh, yeah. Pretty good stuff here. Here, let's put you guys down for a second. Dip in this proper. Little trick, you guys. Blow your nose when you're underwater like that. It helps keep your ears pressurized, junk out of your nose. And, you know, there is a risk of infection here, but just because it's the wild, there ain't no chlorine. But man, this is nice. Look at this. Oh, glasses are all fogged up though. Oh. So let's take a minute, look at a little geology. I have no idea what's up at that hole, but I ain't sticking my hand in there. But you can see this is all moss, earth, roots, clay, everything. And then you can see there's an abrupt line here of it looks some sort of clay and then limestone. I don't want to disturb it too much, but it's kind of neat because we are I am like roasting warm right now. But look right up in here, just all frozenness. So it's quite a contrast between where we are. All right, so I'm told that it's warmer this way, so let's go this way. Oh, yeah, definitely more sulfury. But it's neat because the bottom goes from 2 to 3 feet deep to, you know, that's standing up. So I'm just kind of crouching here, enjoying the float. Oh, it's shallower here. We got water running in. I wonder what temperature this water is. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is roasting right here. Oh yeah. This is pretty wicked. Oh, so I think the hotness is coming in from over here. Yes. Oh yeah, that's so hot we're not even sitting in that no more. This is ultra hot back in here. Wow, that's so cool though. I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving this place. If you're doing the Alaska Highway, this is a must stop, especially wintertime. Look at this. And there's just a sweet little grotto back here. Dun dun dun. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Check it out. It's like a mini glacier. Ooh. It's frozen. I guess it's not a glacier because it's not a compression turning it to pure ice, but it's the front being next to the water here, creating that little mini glacier, Liard Glacier. So there's this upper pool and then this lower pool that's like got this hidden corner around to it. So you know me, we gotta go see. Let's go see. We'll say it's definitely cooler back here. Like down below is cooler than the surface. The surface is warmer. It looks steamy over here. Ooh, it gets warmer over here. Wow, it's a trip. It's like a little grotto. I don't know if that's like a water inlet or what. Giant beaver. Oh no. We're gonna get attacked by beaver out here? That'd be terrible. Yeah, definitely chillier here. We will not be hanging out in this pool, but it's still steamy. And it's definitely enough to keep it doing its thing. But yeah, let's just go explore for a second. Dun 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 dun. Oh, but it's kind of like warm and hidden back here. Oh, this is neat. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. Yes. Oh, this keeps going. And it's warm enough where I'm not freezing, but not necessarily liking it. It was kind of warm in here. Oh, it's got my foot. It's a snake. Oh, look at this. Wow. This is just beyond cool. Oh, yeah. How far does it go? I'm gonna go for a second just to see. Oh, I hear rushing waters and it continues to go. Look at that. We are so far away from a little entryway now. What is back there? It's still warm. It's that cool bottom. Ooh, did we find the headwaters? The cold waters. Oh yeah, it's chilly. But look at that. Look how far away we are. Just completely, yeah. So cool. I'm so stoked on this little spot. Oh, chilly back here. Chilly out. Ooh, look at all that thorny stuff. Do not drag yourself against that. Back down into the bayou. Now you know those layers I was talking about? Here's a soft, decomposed, earthy layer with an overburden on top. Probably when the stream changed paths or did something, and then back to the earthy layer here. And this stuff's surprisingly warm. This is what insulates the permafrost. And that's where everyone on the, or that's where they discovered they had a problem when they were building the Alaska Highway. I'm gonna stop in this warm spot. Back on my, see if I can perch on this log and talk to you guys. So you know, on the Alaska Highway there, they had issues with the permafrost, and they didn't learn that if it scraped this top layer of muck off, it's like science class in a stream. If they got rid of this top layer of muck and they got this exposed, instantly all of this, which is frozen, the permafrost, started melting, and that's when they started losing tractors into into the tundra, and this is even this area. This is all permafrost. This is frozen year-round under the ground. So this top layer insulates it. So they learned that they couldn't tear up the road, and that's why you notice the Alaska Highway that we're driving on is raised, because that's actually insulating the earth underneath from the raised road above. So yeah, pretty wicked, huh? All right. Well, I think it's time to get back on the road here. We've had some fun. Frog kicking one-handed is a little hard. So yeah, let's go back. Mossberg, dead ahead. Ugh. But isn't this neat? What a little oasis. We just went from like some hidden streamy thing to it's like civilization again. Ooh, civilization for Adventure Brad. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of this cool stuff, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's do some more of this.